So I'm sitting here at the Loves in Boardman, Oregon, and I've got to ask, why would you park an RV that far in the middle of where the trucks drive? And just get out and try to get somebody in the shop? I don't know. But this lady here is driving it, and she parks it right in the middle of the road. Really makes you wonder what goes through people's mind. Oh, there's her friend to help. She's not much better, but at least she's kind of out of the way. Oh, no, don't bend over, please. Oh my goodness, come on. So I'm just going to sit here and record and see what transpires here. Can't wait for a truck to come by and politely ask, "What the fuck are you doing?" But we'll see. But yeah, this Love's, third Love's I've checked in a week to try to get an oil change and a service on a truck and a service on a trailer with a DOT inspection. They'll do the oil change, no problem, but they can't do inspections because they're not qualified. So why are they offering it if they can't do it? And now they got a truck driver that barely backed into his parking spot to inspect. Why would they park like that? There's a parking spot right next to me. Oh, they finally see the empty parking spot. Are they going to pull into it? Oh, wait. Ah, yes. The two brain cells put together. Okay. Now we're cooking with gas. think they're going to try to pull in from behind. Maybe. I don't know. Oh well, that was my entertainment for the day. That was fun. Anyway, catch y'all later. Ooh, hair in my nose. Excuse the hair. Need a trim. Bye.